okra. Put 2 okra in there, cut 2 okra, put in callaloo, you know. Yeah, man. Okra. Okra, good for your giants. They're good food, man. They can move up. Callaloo and okra. They did vegetarian, you know.
Are a lot of other Rastafari vegetarian?
So then say, you know. But today I did them a fuckery, you know. Because I want some young go pure vegetarian, you know. I eat meat, you know. Because everybody say, where Ital and this. But me as a man like this, me eat what I can get. I'm not going like, me no eat chicken, me no eat callaloo. No, man. Anything where you see me prepare, me have to eat it, man. Yeah, man. I the last one, sir. See? Oil. See it? See they get soft? They get smaller and smaller, less and lesser. And the wickedest food is here going to get here, sir. Because callaloo, you hear? I never eat this yet, but I know when I no time I get this, I'm going to talk about it. You know, I taste it, you know? No, sir. Yeah, man. I mean, know the amount of salt, say. Yeah, see him fuck me up yesterday, you know.
See?
Yeah, see. Thing in the car, I don't use to it, you know. Yeah. Cannot blow, cannot breathe. Fucked up yesterday, man. When I come here, I couldn't even drink a beer last night, you know. I'm really sick. Them places are paining me. I couldn't even blow yesterday.
Are you feeling a little bit better from last night?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man. I'm going to drink my tea, look what my tea and all those things, you know. When I know for my structure, you know. I know what to take, you know. Yeah, man. Last night, I not even drink a beer, I not even burn a split. Yeah. Really feel terribly fucked up last night. That's like the color you see it now.
Yeah.
It's totally different. Shabba.
Yeah, man.
Shabba. Where's the seat now? Ready now, you know. No more water, nothing. I just hide. No water, you know, see no water now. I just hide. Shiny. Look. You're gonna try it this morning. So what is callaloo? You drink the soup last night. That nice. Not cut out the breadfruit, just peel the breadfruit, you know. Peel the breadfruit, watch it. The root is that strong, would have to dry them out of the fire.
So roasted from last night.
Yeah. Heat and put it back this morning, make it get some heat. Yeah. Yeah, start to the top to the bottom. To the very last drop. Bottom top to bottom to the very last drop, brother. I must constantly say, wow, is it breadfruit, you know, Baba? Heat. The heart, this. We call it the belly. You know, some good something, you know. Some good something that hurt you to eat, you know. Yeah, man. Good for everything, man. It's better more on the bread too, you know. Yeah, it's better more on the bread. It not give you gas, you know. It's not everybody can prepare breadfruit, you know. Yeah. Perfect now, it's ready, you know. Yeah, man. Ready, you know. Ready to eat now, you know. Straight up, it's ready now. Callaloo, wow, plate there look nice. Nice scene, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.